How to fix could not connect to the Steam network. First, open Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Now open Steam. Click on Steam. Click on Go Offline. Close the Steam. Right-click on Desktop and click on Refresh. Now open Steam. Click on Go Online. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.